Welcome to the Planetwatch series, where we'll be covering all things Planetwatch. These are a series of videos, so if you're interested in this project, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in crypto mining projects in general, hit that subscribe button as well, because we'll be covering all sorts of projects. This is part 2 of the Planetwatch series. Part 1 is linked in the description. This is how to buy planets with Bitmart and how to buy licenses. So let's head on over to what the video is going to entail. So I've got these timestamped at the bottom so you can skip through. We're going to start with the introduction, and I'm going to introduce a cheat sheet that I've got. We're going to be looking at creating Planetwatch account, registering with Bitmart, purchasing USDT with Coinbase, purchasing USDT with Binance, or alternatively buying crypto. I'm going to look at ADA in this scenario and converting that to USDT, buying Algo and planets in Bitmart, creating the Algorand wallet, sending planets to your wallet, and then finally buying the licenses. Yes, it's a lot, but we're hoping that you can skip to the parts that are relevant to you. So, introduction and cheat sheet. If you look in the description, I've got this cheat sheet that has been put together with a step-by-step process on how to go through with this. So if you want to follow that along as you go through with the video, feel free to do so. I've also got some other links in the description where you can register for some of these accounts, and I've got an ROI calculator for free. So check that out in the description. Right, so let's start with buying the licenses. Step 1 is to head over to planetwatch.io or planetwatch.us, depending on where you're based, and register your account. It's very easy to do so, but do remember that this is a separate account to the one that you will need when you onboard your licenses. Makes sense to use the same email, but remember, this is what you're registering to create your account to buy a license. So register, and once you receive the confirmation, log in, and then head on over to buy and then to licenses. Here you can choose your license type and quantity, and I've got a video that covers all of these licenses and what you can expect when you purchase them. Link is going to be there in the top of the video. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with a type 3 license because I want to register that on my account, and I'm actually going to onboard a type 3 in the following videos, so make sure that you're subscribed if you're interested on how to do that. Now I'm going to have a look at the price here, and I want the cost of a 1-year license. The reason I want to do that is because I want to see what the value is going to be in USDT and also the value in my local currency. I'll keep a note of that, and then I'm going to add about $10 on top, just because sometimes you need to be extra wary of different costs that come along the way. Now we've got hold of that, let's head on to the different options that we've got to purchase the licenses using Coinbase or using Binance, and also directly through Bitmart. And the next step is to register with Bitmart. So I've got a link in the description, and it should also pop up on the screen. If you click on that link, it will actually give you a commission, and also myself, when you register with Bitmart. So you'll actually get an extra bonus when you use my link. Register with Bitmart, and once you've confirmed with that, I'm just going to show you what the fee schedule is here for using Bitmart. So as you can see, there is no cost for depositing anything into Bitmart, and if you're withdrawing any of the coins, you can see that there is a cost of 6 planets if you're withdrawing planets, and for Algorand there's also the figure, very minute amount there for Algo. And I think it's important for us to note that, because we need to bear that in mind, and that's the reason why I said we want to make sure that we buy a little bit extra. 6 planets, not really a lot at this time. One of the things you can do with Bitmart is buy the USDT directly, because you need USDT to be able to purchase planets. But one of the things you have to bear in mind is that you need to fulfill the basic verification. It's not a detailed verification in order to buy this cryptocurrency. I'm just going to show you how you do the basic verification on Bitmart. If you have the time, I would also recommend that you do the full verification, but if you only have time for the basic verification, it's very simple. Just head on over to your account, maybe click on a deposit for one of the coins, and you'll get a message here to say that we need to verify your account. Now the basic level, the level 1, is very easy to do so. It's just your name and your details, and once you do that, you'll be in a position to buy crypto. And I think that's the basic level. If you want to just purchase directly on the platform, then that's what you can do. But there are of course other options in which you can purchase, and I'm going to head over to those now. One is through Coinbase, and the other is through Binance. Right, so one of the methods you can purchase is through Coinbase. If you don't already have an account, use the link that I'm going to provide for you and you get £7 worth of free Bitcoin. But you need to create this basic Coinbase account. Once you've created an account, you can sign into that account, and actually the simplest way, it will include higher fees, is just to purchase with your card USDT. You can do that, and then you can transfer that USDT directly to Bitmart. This method of course does cost a little bit more in terms of fees, but it's probably the most hassle-free way of doing so. Once you've got the USDT in your account, you just click on send or receive, you copy the deposit address in Bitmart, and you can send your USDT directly over to Bitmart. One of the other ways in which you can do that, which I actually prefer, is to use Coinbase Pro. Now this method is going to give you the least amount of costs. It's going to be the cheapest way to do so. And what you do is you sign into Coinbase, then you click on Coinbase Pro, which gives you the dashboard. And from the dashboard, you click on your portfolio, and then you click on deposit. And here you click on bank transfer, or would you choose your currency of choice, then you click bank transfer, and it will give you details to do your bank transfer. Once you've transferred, it'll take about 30-40 minutes, and you'll have that money for free in your account. Then all you need to do is head over to the market, click on USDT to GBP or your currency of choice that you have in your wallet, and you can do a simple market sale. If you look at the fees, they're much lower than what they would be if you paid off your card. And then the process is the same. You go to your wallet, you click on USDT that you now have, you click withdraw, and you paste the address that you took from Bitmart, which is your deposit address in Bitmart, and there you have USDT in Bitmart using Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Right, so if you don't want to buy in Bitmart, you don't want to buy through Coinbase, you can actually buy through Binance as well if you've already got an account. Very simple to do so. If you don't have an account, use the link that I provided for you. The incentive there is you'll actually get a percentage bonus of any sale that you make because it's an affiliate link, and I'll also get a bonus, and that helps support the channel. You click on that, you click on buy crypto. Of course, you need to make sure that your card is connected to it, and you can simply click USDT, make a purchase, and then you'll have USDT in your wallet. And simply all you have to do is go to your wallet, click on the USDT, click withdraw, and then paste the USDT address that you have taken from Bitmart, and then you can get USDT in Bitmart. And one final method I'm going to show you is if you want to purchase cryptocurrency and then convert that in Bitmart to USDT, or you might already have some lying around in Binance that you want to send across. This is going to be of interest to people that want to avoid verification or already have some cryptocurrency that they have lying around. Remember, a lot of these cryptos have much less transfer fees than USDT. Once you've purchased your crypto, and in this particular case I'm going to go with ADA because of its low transaction fees, all we have to do is purchase, then click on withdraw, head over to Bitmart, click on ADA, click on deposit, copy your address from Bitmart, paste your address into Binance, and then type in the amount that you have. Obviously there'll be a minimum amount, so you want to make sure that you transfer the amount that converts to the right amount of USDT that you're heading for. Then you just need to go into Bitmart, click on your wallet, click on trade that ADA to USDT, and it'll be a simple case of selling your ADA to make sure that you have USDT now in your account. So in either of these scenarios, you now should have USDT sitting in your Bitmart account. And let's move on to the next steps. Right, so you've got USDT. How do I purchase planets? The first thing you need to do is purchase Algorand. This coin is very important because you need it to activate your Planet wallet. The minimum withdrawal for Bitmart is 10 Algorand, so make sure you purchase a minimum of 10. I'm gonna insert only 2 here to show you the process, but you have to purchase more because you can only withdraw 10. Now these 10 are going to be handy for you later on, so don't feel like they're going to be wasted. But the first thing you want to do is purchase at least 10 Algorand because that's the minimum that is required to withdraw. I would actually purchase maybe 10 or 11 to make sure that you can cover for fees as well. Once you've done that and you've got Algorand sitting in your account, then the remaining USDT, you need to search for the market, search for Planet and the USDT pairing, and very simply you just need to buy planets. So you're going to sell your USDT and you're going to buy planets, and that's it. You've got planets in your account and Algo. So let's head over to the next step, which is setting up the Algorand wallet and then transferring the planets to there. Right, so you need to create an Algorand wallet. To do so, you need to download the Algorand app. You can head over to the iOS or your App Store to do that. Once you've downloaded it, you'll be given the option to add account or recover with a passphrase. Click on add account and you can either create a new account or you can pair it with your Ledger device. Today we're going to create a new account. It says here back up your account using a recovery phrase. You need to make sure that you record this recovery phrase. It is your password, is it your identity, and you'll need this later on to connect to the Planetwatch app, and you'll need it if you ever lose your phone or you need to reopen that app. It's your password. If you lose it, you lose access to your coins. Click I'm ready to begin, and you need to make a note of all of the words. Once you've noted all of the words, you now have your account. You have your Algorand wallet. Now we need to activate it, and that means putting in algos that we bought, and then we can put in the planets. So we're going to head over to our account. We're going to click on receive, and this is the Algo account, and we're going to copy that address. We're going to head over to Bitmart, and we can send this address to ourselves through email or some other sort of method, and then we need to head over to Bitmart, and in Bitmart we need to click on Algo. On Algo we need to click on withdraw, and then we need to paste that address that we just copied across from our wallet. We need to send across that Algo into our wallet. When you withdraw from Bitmart, you have to send a minimum of 10 anyway. So send the 10 and then make sure that that is sitting in your account. Once it's sitting in your account, all you have to do is click on at the bottom, add new asset, and you can search for planets. If you search for planets here, you'll be able to see it, and if you have enough Algo, you can approve it. I already own this asset, but now you have an Algo wallet and a Planet wallet. And the next step is very simple. You click on the Planet wallet, you click on receive, and you copy your address. Now you head into Bitmart, you click on your wallet, click on planets, click on withdraw, and then of course you need to paste this Planet wallet, that address that you've just copied. Once you click submit and you send, you are now going to have Algorand and also planets in your Algorand wallet. And now we'll move on to the final stage, which is using that to purchase licenses. And so let's go to the last stage. Let's finally purchase our licenses. We head back over to planetwatch.io, alternatively of course planetwatch.us if you're in the US. Head over to the buy option and pick the license that you want. Obviously I'm going for a type 3 in this video, but you might need to purchase a type 4, the type 1 and the type 2 and the type 3. Not only do you need it to onboard your sensor, but you get in the waiting list for that sensor as well. Go for the 1 year or 2 year option. Obviously it's cheaper if you go for the higher amounts or the longer years, and then you move on to the next stage. Just updated the total number of licenses. I'm going to go with 1 here. Make sure that the email address is correct to make sure it matches your account, and also there's consistency going forward. Click on pay with Bloomy. Wait a few seconds. Now you're going to get another option. Click on continue on that screen, and then finally you're going to get the option to click on pay with My Algo Wallet, and that's what we're going to use to pay for this right now. We already have our wallet set up on Algorand app, so it's going to be very easy for us to transfer this. I'm going to click on that option and a window is going to pop up. I'm going to click connect, and then from there we're going to be asked to create an account because we don't already have one connected. So for that we access it, we create an account and make a note of this password. You can either generate it yourself or you can have it something that you save, but remember this password. Once you've done that, you're going to click in on it, you're going to continue, and then you now have an option either to join your ledger, create a new wallet, or we're going to import a wallet because we've made one previously. Again, if you've never made one, you can actually make one now and then keep the seed phrase and then import that on your Algorand wallet. Obviously, this is a very important step. Make sure that you enter your seed phrase correctly. Make sure you enter your phrases correctly. Once you've done that, like you can see here, you'll be in on the screen and your wallet will be connected. If you struggle to see your wallet, just go back. You can go back to your payment methods, click on My Algo Wallet again. Because you're signed in on a separate tab, it will connect you. Click on the amount that you need to pay, click next, click continue, make sure you click the center box, click continue, and then wait a few seconds. You'll be given an option to pay for that, and then that's it. The payment will have gone through, and you can double check that payment either through the Algorand app or the My Algo Wallet online online browser. But that payment is going to go through, and that's it. You now have your licenses that you paid for using your planets. You can head over to your Planetwatch account, go on your orders, and you can actually see whether that order was successful or not. If it says completed, then it was successful. You might have a list of cancelled or incomplete orders. Usually that means that you started the process but you didn't proceed with it, but don't worry about that. We want to make sure that those are complete. And that's it. Really hope that this video was useful for you. It's a little bit long, so we want you to skip through as many of the steps as you can, and I want you to make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If it was useful, press like, because the next video is an exciting video. We're going to do an unboxing and we're going to do the onboarding of the Type 3 Ketera sensor. It's a very rare sensor to get hold of at the moment, but I've got hold of a few of them, and then thereafter we're going to be onboarding the Type 4 Aware, which many of you already have. So make sure you stay tuned. We're going to have a lot more videos to come.